Hello everyone, welcome to Queenly Conversations. Today you'll learn real-life English that you can use in everyday situations. In today's situation, at a coffee shop you'll learn how to greet someone, start a conversation, order drinks and speak naturally in a coffee shop. Listen carefully, repeat after us and enjoy today's lesson. Let's begin. Part 1. Arriving at the coffee shop. Today's situation. At a coffee shop it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Emma arrives at her favorite coffee shop. A few minutes later, David walks in and sees Emma sitting by the window. He smiles and walks over to say hello. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, David. It's so nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect today.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually come here every Saturday morning. I really like this coffee shop.
Me too. It's quiet, comfortable, and the coffee is excellent.
Exactly, the people here are always friendly.
May I sit here?
Of course, please have a seat.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's always nice to have someone to talk with.
I agree. It's much more enjoyable than drinking coffee alone.
So how has your week been?
It's been busy, but everything is going well. I'm happy it's finally the weekend.
Me too. Weekends are always relaxing. Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. A speaking practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. It's nice to see you again. How are you today? I'm doing very well. It's a beautiful morning. Do you come here often? I usually come here every Saturday. May I sit here? Please have a seat. I'm happy it's finally the weekend. Part 2. Ordering drinks. Emma and David are ready to order their drinks. A friendly barista comes to take their order. Let's listen to their conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers.
Good morning, welcome to Sunny Coffee. What would you like to drink today?
Good morning, I'd like a latte, please.
Sure, would you like it hot or iced?
I'd like it hot, please.
Of course, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
A medium latte, please.
Great choice, and what about you, sir?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Hot or iced?
I'd like it iced, please.
No problem, what size would you like?
A large cappuccino, please.
Would you like anything to eat? We have sandwiches, cakes, and cookies.
Yes, please, I'd like a chocolate cake.
And I'd like a ham sandwich.
Anything else?
No, thank you, that's all.
That's everything, thank you.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Please have a seat and enjoy your morning.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Excellent, now let's practice these useful expressions together. A speaking practice. Repeat after me. What would you like to drink? I'd like a latte, please. I'd like a cappuccino, please. Hot or iced? I'd like it hot. I'd like it iced. What size would you like? I'd like a medium latte. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Part 3. Enjoying coffee and catching up. Emma and David have their drinks. They find a quiet table by the window. While enjoying their coffee, they catch up and talk about their work and daily life. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. This latte is really delicious. I come here almost every weekend.
I can see why. The coffee smells wonderful. I'm glad you brought me here.
You're welcome. Do you usually drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I usually drink 1 cup every morning. It helps me wake up. How about you?
I usually drink coffee in the morning too. Sometimes I have tea in the afternoon.
That's a good idea. Too much coffee isn't good for us.
I agree. Everything is better in moderation.
So, how's your job going?
It's going well. I'm busy, but I enjoy teaching English. Every day is different.
That's great. I work in an office. Some days are busy, but I like working with my team.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I've learned many new skills, and my coworkers are very friendly.
That's wonderful. Having good coworkers makes work much more enjoyable.
Absolutely. What do you usually do after work?
I usually go home, cook dinner, and read a book. Sometimes I watch English movies.
That's a great way to practice English. I often listen to English podcasts on my way home.
Really, I'll have to try that. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. Learning together is always more fun.
Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. A speaking practice. Repeat after me. This coffee is delicious. Do you usually drink coffee? I drink 1 cup every morning. How's your job going? I enjoy my job. I work in an office. My coworkers are very friendly. What do you usually do after work? I listen to English podcasts. Learning together is more fun. Part 4. Paying the bills. Emma and David finish their coffee and enjoy the last few minutes of their conversation. Now it's time to pay the bill before they leave the coffee shop. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. That was a wonderful coffee. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too. It's always nice to spend time with you.
Shall we pay the bill?
Sure, let's go to the counter.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course, here is your bill.
How much is it?
It's $15, please.
I'll pay this time.
Are you sure?
Yes, next time it's your turn.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
How would you like to pay, cash or card?
By card, please.
Certainly, please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you. See you again.
Excellent, now let's practice these useful expressions together. A speaking practice. Repeat after me. Could we have the bill, please? How much is it? It's $15. I'll pay this time. Next time it's your turn. Cash or card? By card, please. Please tap your card here. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Part 5, saying goodbye. Emma and David leave the coffee shop with happy smiles. They enjoyed their coffee and had a wonderful conversation together. Before going home, they say goodbye and hope to meet again soon. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Thank you for spending time with me today. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too, I always enjoy talking with you.
I'm glad we met today.
So am I, let's come here again next weekend.
That's a great idea, I'd love to.
Take care, Emma, have a safe trip home.
Thank you, you too, David.
Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, enjoy your weekend.
I'll see you next time.
See you soon, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excellent, now let's practice these useful expressions together. A speaking practice. Repeat after me. Thank you for spending time with me. I really enjoyed our conversation. I always enjoy talking with you. I'm glad we met today. Let's come here again next weekend. I'd love to. Take care. Have a safe trip home. Have a wonderful weekend. See you next time. See you soon. Goodbye. Ending. Excellent job. Thank you for practicing English with us today. We hope you enjoyed today's real-life English conversation at a coffee shop. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen, repeat, and practice a little every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Queenly Conversations for more everyday English conversations. We'll see you in our next lesson with another real-life situation. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.